Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the evening. Watch my step. Yeah, I will watch my step. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, David. You're still making fun of me because I tripped and fall. They're all making fun of me, all my old blokes here. But yeah, I'm one of all you guys. I'm identify as a senior. And if it's fine that I fall sometimes. Yeah, we're gonna take a stroll now. Check out what's going on in the evening here in the Antung 5 Street. I really wanna see what's new over there. It is a very busy street. And I think they just finished up some brand new buildings. And I'm very, very eager to see what's happening over there. So I think there should be a new building done, but will there be also a business downstairs? That's the big question. We'll find out. So here everything is still the same. Some spas, epic Vietnamese restaurant. Dreams Tattoo, this is new. And the building is new, guys. Dreams Tattoo. Right next to Passion Cafe. Huh. One more new thing here. Ayo is open, that's good. Dogs are roaming around. They're not street dogs. They belong to someone. They just let them roam around in the streets. Koi Sushi is closed. This place is not done yet. This may be something. Engu pouches. What is this? Easier nicotine, greater understanding. What is Engu pouches? Maybe it's snus. Maybe it's snus, guys. For all my Swedish viewers, I guess that's snus, right? Cuba. This product contains nicotine. Nicotine is an addictive chemical. Okay. Indian restaurant, yeah. Surf spot moved over there. But other than that, not much has changed, to be honest. So there's still nothing going on here. But it's an interesting place. So you have a snooze store. Is it snooze? Can you please comment below? I know I have a lot of Swedish viewers too. Is this snooze or is Zing something else? I really don't understand. Or is it something completely different? It's like this little patty with nicotine what you put under your lip, you know. Scallywags open. I think they changed the name. Or am I stupid? Indochine Coffee and Food. I'm not sure if that was the same name before. Huh. So this is the bar street here. Let's see what has changed here. They decorated it different here. Huh. Lots of people always say hi to me, but I don't know who they are. Sometimes they just wave at me, or I don't know. It's like, I don't know you guys. You need to tell me you're watching my channel. But yeah. Nice decorations here, but not much going on here. And Aqua Betty is closed, sadly. Aqua Betty, lots of people loved Aqua Betty. Lots of my friends actually. But yeah, other than that, we have nothing new here. We get some juice store. We still have this Pad Krapao place I really want to try out. Check this out, they have Pad Krapao and English breakfast. And I saw comments about cigar lounges. This is one of the cigar lounges. There's another one in Antung 2, I believe. But here's also one cigar lounge. So this is brand new here, guys. Check this out, Sana Pharmacy. And next to it is a new apartment building. I'm not sure what they're gonna do with this street. I hope it stays a nightlife area. I really hope. The good thing, Funky Donkey is back open. That's very good. But this here is for lease, guys. If you wanna open something big up, this place, I think it was a restaurant and a bar. A very long bar, but they closed it down. I have no idea why. Wow, okay. This is new. This apartment building is new, right? I mean, I have not seen this before, right next to the Happy Heart Cafe. They also have good American breakfast. And we got Rumor, a bar, a closed down bar. What is this? Bing Bong. It's a new bar. It's a brand new bar here, Bing Bong. Haha. Okay, hello, how are you? Okay guys, there's a new bar and Blends is still closed and I have no idea why. I mean, maybe it's because of Sunday. Maybe they're open tomorrow. Wow. Wow, this has changed a lot. Okay, so they gutted out Heaven Bar completely and something else will happen over there. This is crazy. I think lots of people love the Heaven's Bar here in Da Nang. Now it's completely, I mean, this looks pretty new. Now it looks like this. Huh. Oh, sad to see. The thing is, I understand, maybe they want to completely remove nightlife so there's no noise pollution at night anymore. But every healthy city, especially a tourist city like Da Nang, it is a tourist city, it is a tourist neighborhood, should have a nightlife area. I mean, it's not for me, guys. I'm not crying around, I want to have a nightlife area. I don't drink, I don't smoke, and I'm at 12 o'clock, my wife turns off the light and said it's time to sleep and we sleep, okay? That's what it is. But in my opinion, it has to be a nightlife area. Else it's just gonna be a boring, boring place, which it already is in my opinion. Da Nang, nightlife, ugh, terrible. It's good for me, that's why I live here. But yeah, let me know in the comments. What do you think about the nightlife in Da Nang? And do you think it's a smart idea to remove even more bars or debar the bar street? What a word, debar the bar street. Maybe this is brand new here. No, I don't know what they're selling here. That's my gym. I gotta see if I still have a gym membership there, guys. But yeah, I'm getting my steps in. That's what you're seeing here now. I'm walking every day, morning and evening, and whenever I can. We need more nightlife area, especially for the young people too. I mean, there is nightlife in the city a little bit, or specific types of nightlife, but oh yeah, Luna store here. But there is nothing really going on here besides a few bars. I think it's called dive bars. You know, you go in there, you hang out. I don't know. For me, we need some nightclubs also. Some proper ones. I think there are enough tourists now here who also go out. Or beach clubs, a little bit better. I'm not sure how it is at Kala Kala at night. I have to check this one out. But yeah, nightlife is still slow, sadly, here in this neighborhood at least. Vietnamese have their own nightlife and that's pretty busy. It's in the city center, which is actually fun. But I think here in this neighborhood, there should be something too. Maybe it is a smarter thing to have no real nightlife. So there won't be so many issues at night, you know. This could be also the case. If you think about, for example, Pattaya, Thailand, how crazy this is there and how much shit going on all the time. Well, maybe it is smarter to don't have a nightlife. But let me know in the comments also, is it good without, is the image good without night mode on? That's what I'm wondering also. I still think there should be a nightclub where there were already was a karaoke bar. You know, the place between the new beach club I showed you. Maybe I will show you another walk. What I mean, there should be a nightclub at the beach, right at a specific spot where you can have music with no one disturbing. You know, I want nightlife. I also don't want to have nightlife that is loud to the outside. You know, so it should be somewhere where you don't bother people like me. So you should still have it. Finally, the barbershops are opening again. My barber is still not open for another 3 days. So I'm walking around without a fresh haircut. But it's okay. It's all fine. The thing is, you saw the video 2 days ago on a Sunday, how it looks on the daytime. Very busy, everywhere people. Now it looks pretty empty, I would say, almost. So it's not like every street is like completely packed here. It's still very calm, I would say. Right? The Alo coffee is closing. Now we're getting cute dogs here. Excuse me, sir. Do you have a license?
Sorry, you cannot park here. Mister?
You have a license for this vehicle, sir? Excuse me. License? Licenzo? That's not even Spanish, right?
You have peso?
Okay. Now you gotta show me how to drive a motorbike with 3 dogs. And you?
People?
What? That's not possible. Okay, I wanna see this. I wanna see this. 3 dogs. Oh my God. Okay. Bye bye. 3 dogs. Two people. Yeah. Okay. Welcome to Vietnam. Sometimes Vietnamese also go on a walk by the driving. So the dog just want to have a little bit of air and you just drive the dog around. I see this often. I think my wife did that too. I gotta try out the Chinese dumpling place. I think it's good now. There are lots of people in there. But yeah, only one time a week I'm gonna have fun food. Else I'm gonna have very healthy food. And wait, whatever my wife cooks me, I eat. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next walk.